Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you replace these light bulbs. This one here is your clearance light and the brake light built in together. It's a double element light bulb. This one here, right here, is your blinker bulb, and this one right here is your reverse light. So when you put it in reverse, this lights up to light your way backwards and to let people know that you're backing up. And we'll also go over how you'd replace the license plate bulb light. So the way we get into this is we're going to have to pop the trunk, and then we'll go over how you would access the panels back there to be able to replace just the light bulbs. Right. So to be able to replace any light bulbs inside here, we first have to get inside the trunk, and the way we get to that is we go up into the cabin department and we push the button and this trunk will pop up. Just a button inside the door, so the trunk will pop up and we will be able to have access to these things. Right? So we're here in the trunk, and in the trunk there's push pin here, there's a push pin here that we need to remove, and these are just the simple push pins right here, and a small screwdriver or a little pick tool, and you can pull those back. You pull them back and then they'll remove real easily. Then you just go ahead and pull this panel down, and that gives us access to the light bulbs. So to be able to go ahead and replace this light bulb, just as easy to just go ahead and disconnect the electric. You don't really have to, but this is the light bulb where the double element is for the brake light and clearance light. And so you just twist it counterclockwise, pull it out, quarter turn, and then just go ahead and pull this out, and then you get the new one. You would get a new one, you would put it back in, just snap it into place, then go ahead and put it up in here. It's a little bit of fiddle to find exactly the way it goes, but if you recall, your electrical connector was right there. So you just twist it, snap it into place, and that's how you go ahead and replace the brake light slash park light or clearance light on your 2016 Mazda. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.